Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's decode this component. It is 3-pin SMD component with S1 marking. S1 component ID, no information. Let's take measurement. Take measurement in millimeter. Length 2.93 mm, width 1.28 millimeter, 1.28 millimeter. You can download different SMD package charts. I am using this Nexperia. You can also use this ROHM package. You can also use MCC catalog, Central Semiconductor SMD markings, Nexperia selection guide, Toshiba discrete devices package lineups. In this chart we will create 3-pin and we will see this body size 2.9 by 1.3 by 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter height. I am taking just only 2 measurements. There are too many measurements to verify the exact number, but when we take these 2 measurements we will take approximately closest match. This measurement for body. Some manufacturers take measurement from end to end terminal, from this point to this point, that is 2.4 millimeter. SOT-23. Now we'll check cross reference. ROHM, same package, SSD3. Check cross reference. SOT-23 is available with different names. SC59, SOT-346, TO-236AB, SMT3, MPAK, CP, Mini 3 G3B, Mini 3 G3B, CPH3. If one manufacturer is saying CPH3, that means this measurement. If anyone is saying CP, this measurement. If someone is naming it SC59, this measurement. Measurement same, component same, but different manufacturers will name it with different names. Maybe we will find some other names as well. Let's check this SMD unit.1. Now we need S1 marking in any one of these package styles. First locate S1. S1. Now we will locate in SOT-23. The first one, BBY31, it is capacitance diode. If on the PCB marking is a D, that means that is BBY31. But now in our case, it is power switching device. It is controlling these LEDs. That means maybe it is a transistor or a MOSFET. SOT-23 voltage detector IC. If it is being used in any battery charger or any charging control circuit or any voltage detector circuit, that time that is voltage detector. Then here is SOT-23. It is MOSFET P type. In last video I decoded this 2300, that is N-channel MOSFET, and it is saying it is CJ2301 HF SOT-23 MOSFET. Its part number is CJ2301. Let's check it. This part number, datasheet CJ2301 P-channel enhancement MOSFET. P-channel enhancement mode MOSFET, gate, drain, source. Gate, drain, source. And there is body diode. Body diode direction is opposite to this N-channel MOSFET. Diode cathode is connected at source pin. Black lead at source pin, red lead at drain pin, diode. In this direction, open circuit. This is gate. Because it is P-channel MOSFET, red lead at source, black lead at gate, black lead at drain. The MOSFET is turned on. 0.00 ohms. The channel is now on. Black lead at source, red lead at gate. Now we are discharging the gate. One diode, open circuit. That means it is exactly P-channel MOSFET. So in this way we can find datasheet. If here is device ID Q, that will much helpful to decode it easily. But now by checking this component or by seeing its function, we can say it is MOSFET because it is controlling the current for these LEDs. So in this way we can decode SMD components. We can find part number, we can find datasheet. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.